Hi everybody. I'm going to share with you my travel secrets. How do I practice when I travel? I'm usually in a room like this, so I'm going to show you what I do when I practice. I'm Nora Day. When I travel, I still get my practice in. I do like to do my dropbacks. So I've been in very tight quarters before, and this is how I do my dropbacks lots of times. I use the bed. This is a great thing to do even if you're not traveling. It gets you in the motion of back bending, but not going all the way to the floor. I stand on the side of the bed. I have my feet hip-width apart or even a little wider. As I'm here, I like to bend the knees, feel rooted in the ground, and I lift up. Then I start straightening the legs, thighs forward. Now you're gonna see why I use the bed. Tilt back with my head, keep thighs forward, reach your arms back and hold. Hold. I can see the bed. I'm gonna touch the bed and I'm gonna come on up. So I'm just getting a mini back bend practice. Reach your arms up, thighs forward, look for the bed and hold. Legs forward, thighs forward. Tap, come on up. Let's do one more together, nice and smooth. Lift your heart up, reach back. You wanna hold, root through your feet. I see the bed. Tap, use your legs, 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 legs. Come on up. This is how I learned dropbacks. I used my bed because it was safe and it felt cushy. I really recommend this to learn dropbacks and just to keep strength in your legs and keep flexibility in your back. Try these.